Okay, so whenever you log in, you will always land on this page first. In the beginning, going to give you like hints and tips and whatever how to use it, so you can always just, if it's bugging you, close them, and then this will be like your like a brief description of what's going on your website. This WP form thing, you can, if you don't want to see them, you can either just minimize them by clicking on them, or you can go to screen options here, and then WordPress forms, we can hide it. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see the overview. We don't want to see that overview. So yeah, you can just close what you don't want there. Quick draft, if you have a blog post idea but you don't have time to go and compile a post, you can just write the title a little bit there. Save draft, easy. I installed Jetpack for you. This helps with website tracking and speeding up the site, but I also installed for you the Google Site Kit. It doesn't have stats yet because it hasn't had time yet to crawl your website, but from tomorrow you should start seeing stats here. These are more accurate. So if you're going to start working with brands or whatever, they're going to always ask for your Google Analytics code, and that would be the one here. So if you want to have it a little bit more higher up so you can see it first, you can just drag and drop it. Then the rank math, this is the SEO for your website. So it's going to show you also a little bit of your analytics, but it will also show you where your traffic's been coming from, and it's going to help you improve your SEO when you do write your blog posts. So to get to your actual question, so now I logged in, then I go to visit website. Then it's going to load the front end of your website. Then you're going to click on About because you want to change something on the About page. And then you will see this link pop up here saying edit with Elementor. So then you're going to click on that. Sorry, my internet's a little bit slow. Okay, so when it loaded your site, so it's going to take a little bit to load the video each time, so it might be blank, but it is there, so don't worry about that. So then you scroll down with your mouse and you will see I typed for you by to go here. So when you click inside this block, you will see a text editor will open here on the left hand side, and then you can come type what you want in there. You can add more photos in there, whatever, and then you can just click update, and then it's going to update your bio information. Then there's a second spot where you're going to want to change it. That's on the sidebar of your regular blog post where that little round image is. So for that one, you're going to, you can go from usually anywhere, but I'm going to show you the quickest way. You're on your website, you're on the home page. Here you have your blog name. If you hover over that with your mouse, you can go to the dashboard, themes, widgets, menus. So then you're going to click on widgets. Sorry. And then you're going to click here on by default sidebar. You'll see there's one that says about me. You're going to click on that one, and then you can change your little description here, do a little shorter one if you want, or the whole one, entirely up to you, completely something different. And then when you're done, you're just going to click save, and it's going to change it there as well. And Yes, I don't know if you want me to show you how to edit a blog post, or if you want to play around first and then ask me. But let me know if you have any questions.